Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Phil Pravda here from Suit Cafe. Yes, suitcafe.com. Haven't done a little video in a little while, but we got a lot of new things and I'm going to show you something right now. A new unboxing. It's right here. This is going to be a pair of custom made sneakers and I know what's inside. It's an amazing color. It's patina finish. It's all handmade, hand rubbed. I got my trusty scissor out. We're going to open it up right now. We're going to do the smell test and we're going to show them to you. Let's go. Okay, everybody, so here's the box, one pair of sneakers. We're going to open it up right now. First time, security tape from Spain. There it is, not opened. U.S. Customs didn't even open it to take a look. Maybe someone from there would like to buy a pair of sneakers from me. Who knows? If they would open it, they would see how nice they are. Anyway, here we go. Let's get this baby open. I have not seen these either, so I know what they are. I know the person who made them. It's actually a father who purchased these for his son. For an event that they're having. Son is going to wear a beautiful blue suit and he wanted to just chuck those scissors over there, and he wanted to have these beautiful didn't want shoes but wanted to have some cool you know the look today you can wear these cool shoe sneakers that have a nice thick sole, but this is patina finish. So let's see, we have the trainer sneakers, size 8 by the way. And make sure if you like these unboxing videos, whether it's dress shoes or chukka boots or sneakers like I'm going to show you, or new clothing that's come in that we made, custom made. We didn't do anything for shirts. We should do that soon. Or some other types of videos that I put in my most popular video, how to fold a suit jacket for your luggage without wrinkles. That's important. Fold it up, put it in your luggage with the pants, with stuff on top when you get to your destination. No wrinkles in your clothing. You don't need plastic. You don't need tissue paper. You don't need hangers. You don't need to carry on the airplane. You don't need any of that stuff. Read the comments on some of those videos. Everybody says it works fantastic. People go on long trips. They took their suits out. They wore them the same day. So check out those videos too. So yeah, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. So here we go. First thing is, everyone knows the rules. Smell test. I will give Dave Portnoy a shout out for everybody knows the rules. Smell test. Okay, here we go. No smell over there. Special care instructions for hand painted leather. If you can see that there. Let me show that to you. Let me see if that shows up. There you go. Care instructions for special hand painted leather. Because this is a patina finish. Oh boy, you know that smell of a new car. I always say that, but brand new leather. Smells really good. Okay, so this way we got to keep on the side there because that's going to go to the customer. We're going to open it up. Here is the first one. I'll just keep this down on my lap. We're going to open this up. Remember, I have not seen this. You and I will see this at the same time and we'll go over exactly what it is. This is the trainer patina finish in what color? Here we go. What? Oh my God. Let me see what this is without this plastic on here. Holy smokes. Look at that. That is the denim patina with the flat navy laces. You can see that right there, the flat navy laces. Just like that. I mean, that is stunning. I mean, I love a pair like these for myself. It's burnished. You can see we have the burnishing all the way around. I'm going to turn the whole thing around for you. You could see all the sides very closely. It's hard to hold it straight. Okay, there we go, like that. And I'm going to show you the back. There's the back. And we'll turn it around. We'll show you the bottom also. This is the special sole that we have on here. And you can see on the bottom it says Suit Cafe made in Spain right there. And let's see what color interior we have. Because you could choose, I mean, you can customize these any way you want. These are custom made. So you can make any color you want. Red patina, purple patina, green patina. There's the inside right there. It's just a basic sort of like dark brown or black. And the tongue is also matching. This is called cup sole. So this sole is called cup sole. There are two versions of the cup sole. This is the thicker one. There's also a more narrow cup sole, about half the size of that. Personally, I like this slightly thicker one, but this is just a stunning, stunning color. This is denim blue patina. So this is hand painted finish on the leather. You could see the striations there, that they use these, they don't really use brushes. They use these sort of sponge brushes, how they put these on, and they go in, steady motions along the whole shoe or the sneaker. And then they burnish it. They take black and they rub with their fingers. They rub black all the way around along the seams to give it that sort of black blue, really, really nice look. I mean, this is gorgeous. You could wear jeans, you could wear a suit, you could wear shorts, you could wear so many things with this. I really, really think these came out fantastic, really. This is size 8. So you get an idea for the size there. Size 8. Why don't I take out the other one? I usually always do one shoe, but these are such really special, really, really special looking. I'm going to put this one right over here on my desk, and I'm going to take a look at the other one. Let's hope they sent me two the same, and one is not orange and one is not blue. That'd be a problem. But if you wanted it that way, haha. Okay, here we go. Same thing. Other foot on the left. And there we go. That's the left foot. Just like that. You could choose the color laces too. Let's say you want yellow laces on the blue. That would look kind of nice. Or you want black laces. You could have that as well. And I'll show you the bottom right there. And of course the back. And as you know, if you go to the end of this video, you'll be able to see close-up photos of this. And when you see the close-up photos, you can see the shoe and it's entirely the two together. So let me put them together here for you and give you a better look so you can see the two together just like that. So I think these really came out great. Tell me your comments. What do you think? Would you wear something like this? Would you wear it with jeans? Would you wear it with a pair of trousers? Even a suit, I think. What would be your use if you were able to buy some of these? And what other colors would you like to see these in? You can make plain black. You can make plain navy. You could make crocodile on part of it and leather on part of it. You can make suede on the toe and the tongue and put different leather on the other side. You can make it any way you want. You be the designer for these sort of things. It's really, really a lot of fun. Actually, these were done in our, I should mention this, these were done in our new 7-day production. So these sneakers only took 7 days. They left the factory in 7 days and they came here. So we have two productions, 27 days and 7 days, depending on the customizations. Sneaker in patina, all different colors. We're able to do it in 7 days. So this is 7 days delivery. And how much were they? Good question. I think these were, I'm going to guess, I think they were $430. That could be $430, handmade, custom color, laces, and there you have it. So please, like I said, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you like those. Leave me a couple comments down below, and I will see you all when I'm back at it.